Holistic medicine is an approach to healthcare that considers the whole person, body, mind, emotions, and spirit, rather than just focusing on specific symptoms or diseases. It aims to promote overall well-being and balance in a person's life, while holistic medicine emphasizes prevention and the body's natural healing abilities. It's important to note that claiming to heal every disease through holistic methods alone would be misleading. Holistic medicine can certainly play a valuable role in supporting overall health and well-being, but it's not a magic cure-all for every ailment. Holistic medicine typically involves a combination of different therapies and practices, which may include nutrition, a focus on healthy eating habits and the use of dietary supplements when needed to support optimal nutrition; herbal medicine, the use of herbs and plant-based remedies to support the body's natural healing processes; acupuncture, an ancient Chinese practice that involves the insertion of thin needles into specific points on the body to stimulate energy flow and promote healing; mind-body techniques, practices like meditation, yoga, and Tai Chi that promote relaxation, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being; massage therapy, the use of various massage techniques to promote relaxation, improve circulation, and reduce muscle tension; energy healing, approaches such as Reiki and healing touch, which involve the manipulation of energy fields to promote balance and well-being; chiropractic care, manipulation of the spine and musculoskeletal system to improve alignment and overall health. While these holistic approaches can be beneficial in many cases, it's important to remember that they should not be seen as a replacement for conventional medical care. In certain situations, such as emergencies or serious illnesses, it's crucial to seek appropriate medical treatment from qualified healthcare professionals. If you're interested in exploring holistic medicine, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare provider who specializes in this approach. They can guide you on how to incorporate holistic practices into your overall wellness plan and work in conjunction with conventional medical treatments when necessary.